How to unblock someone on Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To unblock someone on Roblox, it is pretty simple. Launch the Roblox application in your device. Make sure that you are logged in into your Roblox account. Once you are in here, to unblock someone, tap on the More icon. Then scroll down. Navigate to the option of Settings and click on Privacy. Scroll down to the very bottom of it. At the bottom of your privacy section, you will see the option of Blocked Users. Just tap on Unblock to unblock the user from your Roblox account. Once it is successful, you'll be notified as Saved Successfully. If you cannot do this feature, open up your Play Store to check out for an update from Roblox. If there is an update button like this, just tap on it to update your Roblox. By this way, you'll be easily able to unblock someone on Roblox. That brought us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.